Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 74. We are on Unit 7. So you may refer to grammar reference at page 124. So if you look at it carefully, so 124. So you use will or won't to make predictions about the future. And you use going to talk about the future plans and intentions. So the keywords here is intention, and then maybe you're confused about this prediction and this prediction here. So this is going to, you make prediction based on something you can see or hear right now. So this is the difference. So this is just a very general guide for you. So you make predictions about the future which you cannot see right now. So this is the difference. And let's take a look at page 74. So we are on lesson 3 grammar. Activity 1, read and circle the best form of the verbs. So I already given answer the first one. On Friday night, I'm going to perform at the school concert with my friends. So this is apostrophe M. So this is AM basically. So they written the short form here. So the first one, I'm going to perform at the school concert with my friends. And the second sentence, so here, we are going to play our new song. So this is, you need to circle this one, because this is about intention. So we are going to play our new song. My friend Lo, so this is also intention, is going to sing. Not will, so it's going to. My sister performed with us because she's ill. So this is number 4. Isn't going to perform because she's ill. So you will need to choose this one rather than won't. So it's isn't going to perform with us because she's ill. And then the next paragraph, my friends think that, so this is about prediction about the future. So that I'll be famous one day and perform in front of millions of people. So this is about future. So you need to choose this apostrophe double L. So basically this is will. So short form apostrophe LL. My friends think that I'll be famous one day and perform in front of millions of people. But in the future, I think people, so this is also about predictions about the future. So I think people will perform virtually. They won't be there in person. So this is negative form, and also predict about the future. So you need to use will or won't here for this paragraph. And next we look at the third paragraph, so this number 8 here. So it's about intention. So this intention is in negative form. So is I'm not going to study music at university, but I like to start a group with Lo. So this is about his intention, the author intention. I'm not going to study music at university, but I would like to start a group with Lo. When we are famous, so this is about prediction about the future. We won't. We won't remember how nervous we used to be at school concerts. Oh, look, there's our music teacher. The rehearsal starts in a few minutes. So this is, you need to use is going to. So next we go to activity 2. Activity 2, write sentences with the correct form of will or going to. So again, if you take a look at this instrument here, so this is accordion. So next year, I'm going to learn to play the accordion. So this is number 1, already given answer. Number 2, in the future, all music, so this is about future predictions. So you need to use either will or won't. So all music, so common sense, so this is be digital. So we need to use a positive form rather than a negative one. So all music will be digital. And number 3, on Friday night, we watch a concert. So you need to use the verb to be are. We are going to watch a concert. And then number 4, there be any instruments in the future, only computers. So this is about prediction about the future. So number 4, we use won't here, so rather than will. So you need to somehow interpret the information in this sentence. So number 5, I study music at school next year. So this is about intention. So I am, so you need to use the verb to be am. I'm going to study music at school next year. And number 6, be careful. You drop your guitar. So you are going to drop your guitar. Number 7, I have a piano lesson on Saturday. So this is about also intention. So I'm going to have a piano lesson on Saturday. And the final one, so look, the musicians are here. The concert is going to start. So this is singular and we need to use is going to. So next, this is your own answers here. So we have activity 3. Write sentences with your own ideas. So if you look at this icon here, so this is basically your own answer. So this week, so later I will give my suggested answer. So it depends on you how you construct your sentence. So I will make it as simpler as possible. So this week I'm going to, so maybe something related to your grandmother. So I'm going to visit my grandmother. So somewhere around Singapore. So at Singapore. So we have already full stop here. So visit my grandmother. at Singapore. And next summer, so summer maybe you're not familiar with it, so because in Malaysia, so you seldom heard about this. So summer basically in the United Kingdom lasts for about 7 months. So next summer, so this is considered greater duration for you to learn something maybe. So next summer, so I am going to learn, so maybe a new language for you, so maybe Japanese or what, so I will choose Mandarin Chinese language. So maybe you already learn it, so this is just an example. So we have this Mandarin Chinese. So it's like standard Chinese in China, so Mandarin Chinese language. So there are many different Chinese language, so maybe Cantonese, Hakka, Hokkien, etc. So Chinese, they have many dialects here. So Mandarin Chinese language. So this workbook is getting thicker and thicker when I write this one. So language, so make sure you pronounce or write, spell it correctly for language. And then we have the third sentence. So in the future, I think people will have, so maybe something related to electric car. So I think people will have their own electric cars. So electric cars. And then this, the fourth sentence, in 20 years time. So this is a longer period. So we won't. So maybe something related to climate. So we won't be able to avoid a climate disaster. So this is just an example. So climate. So maybe we can prevent. So it is up to us how we deal with this disaster. So maybe people will do something different to avoid a climate disaster. So climate disaster. And then the final one, look. So this balloon, so it's double O for balloon. So this balloon is going to burst. So it's going to burst. So that's it for today. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 74. So if you are okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the relevant contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.